We have a special guest today, Ernie from Panic Escape Rooms, and he has a new YouTube channel also as well too. And today we're here to share with you about the Nintendo Switch, something portable, a nice dock that you can just put in your pocket, carry around with you when you want, game with your friends. It's a lot easier. A lot of the aftermarket ones are having problems. They're burning out IC chips on the Nintendo Switches, and they're breaking them, they're overheating. Ernie's going to kind of go in more detail about some of the problems and some of the benefits of this great new dock that's available on the market right now, and how to do this.
Yeah, so again, touching base, these docks are really bulky, hard to take to friends' houses, tournaments, or whatever the case is. And there's so many docks out there on Amazon, eBay, even at Walmart, Target, so be a buyer, be aware. Those things are not licensed by Nintendo. They will burn out your system. Parnell's got tons of them coming in day to day, just burned out units. Again, it's not a proprietary thing. Nintendo doesn't have a smaller dock, but
what Nintendo does is, just to interject for a second, is they actually change the algorithm of how it charges. So regular USB-C wall charger, you shouldn't be using that, and that's why we're actually going to use an original Nintendo dock to do this conversion here. He's going to tell us more about it.
Yeah, so in the video going forward, you're going to see step by step on how to take apart your dock and to put the board inside this portable dock here. So we'll put links in the description how to do it, where to buy this to do it yourself, or if you're just not that handy with your hands, you can actually send it to Tekkies. They'll send it with your unit. They'll ship it back to you completed and ready to do. As you can see, it's very small, very tiny. It kind of slips right in the pocket like that. And again, it's using your own Nintendo hardware, so it's not going to damage your unit. Again, there's a video coming up on that. USB ports, USB 3.0 supported on there. Just small portable dock, as you can see the size difference. Doesn't overheat. The other thing is you don't have to worry about scratching the front of your console or the heat being generated on it. It's very snug, puffs in, and you can see what's going on while you're playing.
We'll show you how to do this yourselves. And again, you see Tekkies.store, and we have this product available in our store. You can purchase it. You can go to our community if you want more instructions on how to do this in our forums.
Alright, so we're going to be starting by taking out these 8 tri-ring screws here. You can just take your tri-ring screwdriver and start unscrewing it like you would anything else. That, you can pretty much just pick it up like this and lift it out. I'm not going to be needing this anymore. And next what we're going to want to do is start to take this out. There are no screws that hold this in, just 2 plastic clamps here. Just go ahead and bend them, and there are wires down here, so you want to bend it down like this. Next thing I like to do is pull out this right there, flip it back around, flip this little lever up. Simply pull it right out. We're going to do that for later, so we'll set that aside. Now next what we're going to need to do is take our Phillips, and we're going to need to just take out pretty much any screws you see in the back here. We're going to need to get to the after we take all of those out, they should just slide right apart like that. You want to be careful of the cables within the belts. Just set this aside. Next what we're going to want to do is remove these 4 Phillips screws. You want to be careful because the springs are going to want to shoot out, so you have to kind of hold them with your hand there. Out there, so make sure you don't lose the springs. Take off this piece of plastic. I don't think you'll be needing that again. Take Phillips. Screws here. Alright, so after we got that off of its little spring there, we're going to go here and open the mirroring dock up. Just come with the tools you're going to need to put it inside here. It's a nice little dock. It's pocket sized. Comes with all the screws you need, and if you don't have the tools already, it does come with all the tools you're going to need. We're going to start with the little USB-C connector here. You're going to want to put it in there. Alright. So just slide in there, sit down nice and tight. You're going to want to find the 2 smallest screws you can out of this kit here. Just want to screw those in there. Alright, after you put those 2 screws in there, you're going to take the board here from the switch dock. Put on your cable like that, nice and flat. Put this over the top, like so. Plug this in here. Just tuck that cable underneath there. And as you can see, you have your nice USB-C port there to put your switch. Next, what we're going to do is take the standard size screws and just start putting them in there. You're not going to want to put them in the bottom here because those are where case screws go through. Just these 2 more points here. Just line that up. Alright, and then after that, you can see the 3 screws are in there and the 2 screws for the dock. It's nice and plugged in there. What you want to do next is just take your back cover, put it on the right way, position it all up like that, and then just start putting your 4 Phillips screws in. Just 1. 2. There's 3. And after that, pretty much the last step is just take these little rubber feet they include, pop 4 of them out. That's pretty much it for this nice little dock. Alright, and you can see just the size difference here for, you can see how large that is. It's pretty much the size of the switch there, but compared to it, this mini dock here, it's just way more convenient for if you want to go anywhere real quick, or if you just don't have any room in your bag for a big box like this. It's really easy to use. It has easier access to all the ports. It's not going to affect cooling at all. And it, in my opinion, it just looks a little bit sleeker.
So we have Ernie here from Panic Escape Room, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he does in his business. He's very much in the gaming community. He's also has a new YouTube channel also too that he's starting to promote. So we're going to work together on some collaborations going forward here. And
guys, so my name's Ernie. I own the Panic Escape Room, panicescaperoom.com. We have 2 locations right now in South Elgin and in Hoffman Estates.
in Chicagoland.
Yeah, in the Chicagoland area. YouTubers might be all over anyway. Big thing about escape rooms, there's tons of them everywhere you go. All of them are very different. Ours are unique because we take a story-driven escape experience. And I, being an avid gamer myself, took a lot of personal love and interest in doing escape rooms and put a lot of stuff that relates to the gaming community. I still game. Again, we're working together on some channel stuff. I am starting a stream as well, Panic Gaming, which will put links in the descriptions later on for the streaming channels and everything. But it's something that, you know, just comes full circle with our friends in the repair business and the computer business, our gamer friends. We have gamer communities. We have the fighting game community behind us. We have a lot of tournaments, a lot of stuff coming up. But in the Panic Escape Room, you know, again, we have 2 locations. Escape rooms are super fun. It's just a way to kind of separate yourself from, you know, being behind the computer or the gaming and bring some friends together, do something like a live gaming experience, talk about it. We always take input from our gaming friends, so if you guys have input, something you'd like to see in an escape room, drop a like in the comments, subscribe, send messages, whether it's to our channel or to Tekkies, and say, hey, I saw the Panic Escape Room guys, I have this really great idea for an escape room game or a prop or an idea. Send it to us. We'll give you proper credits for it, but we like to share with the community and like to make sure that everybody's voice is heard.
And also, not to mention, he also has a great escape room coming up that's going to be releasing very soon, and we're really excited about this. And a lot of you guys gamers out there are really going to love this. He actually has a retro arcade museum escape room theme. It's going to be amazing, incredible. You guys definitely got to watch out. We'll have a preview video of a walkthrough of that, and our Tekkies team is going to actually do that room, and we're going to YouTube that as well too.
They're going to beta test it. Make sure it's ready for you guys.
Yep. So we'll have a video on that as well too. We'll do some live feed on that. And thank you guys for watching, and we're going to get started on the how-to part here. And if you have questions, just give us a call. Put your comments down below. Hit the subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.
All right.